Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert FTP email to Gmail.
Search on Google Email Backup Wizard. Click on Download. Install now.
Select FTP email account. Enter FTP email account credential. Advanced mode, when you are facing login issue. Enter IMAP host details.
Check files.
Click on Gmail. Advanced mode, when you are facing login issue. Upload data to default folders. Enter Gmail credential.
Trail version limitation. Buy or activate product license here.
Saving log. Folder hierarchy. Converted emails.